Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm really excited and I'm gonna be showing you guys this amazing chin chin recipe. Oh my god, it is so nice. It's a great snack. It is so crunchy. There's so many good words to describe it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share. So the very first thing I'll be doing is adding all my dry ingredients together, which includes my plain flour, my baking powder, some nutmeg, and some sugar. And just to let you guys know, the exact measurements of each one of the ingredients would be in the description box below. So yeah, please check that out. I'm just mixing all of this thoroughly, and then I'm making like a small hole in the middle to add my egg, my butter, my milk, and for the exact ingredients as well, check the description box. I actually followed the exact measurements this time around, guys. The butter, I measured it, as you can see with the spoon. I measured it this time around. And yeah, I'm also going to add a few tablespoons of water because it felt a bit hard, so I just added a little bit of water. That's gonna be in the description box below as well, so please just check that out. And all I'm doing is literally just mixing and mixing properly. Also, I don't want it to seem like I was kneading it like making bread, that kind of thing, but I was really just trying to form just kneading it a little for like 2 minutes basically, but it wasn't proper kneading, just to make everything smooth and make everything more connected together before I could actually roll it out. So all I'm doing is just rolling it out as flat as it can be without being too flat, if that makes sense. Anyways, so it's basically like 1 centimeter thick. You don't want it to be too thick because then your chin chin won't be as crunchy. But then again, it's your preference, it's what you like, just do it the way you want. And then I'm going to just cut it with a pizza cutter, and you can cut it in cubes into what's that thing called, into strips. Oh my god, into strips, into cubes, into triangles, any shape that you want. Obviously you can make yours perfect. I struggle with cutting out shapes, clearly, but yeah, just cut out the shapes. And then what I'm gonna do is put some flour on my tray and just put the cubes on it, because I like separating the cubes before putting it in my oil. Really and truly, when you put the cubes in the oil, it's going to separate by itself, but I just like doing it myself for some reason. So yeah, and then you have to make sure that your oil is hot enough for your chin chin. I always do this by adding 1 cube and seeing what happens, and then I know, because I didn't like stressing myself like that. And yeah, that's what I did for this part anyways. And yeah, just fry your chin chin for about 2 to 3 minutes. It might take longer, but just keep turning the sides when it's getting brown, because you don't want it to burn on one side. But yeah, when you think you've achieved the perfect golden brownish color, then you can take off your chin chin. Everyone likes chin chin in different ways, in different shades, so it's up to you really. And if you want your chin chin really small, you have to cut the cubes really small. So yeah, that's what you have to do. And then I'm just going to be showing you guys the second batch that I made, and that is it. Chin chin is ready. So here, this is my final product, guys. The chin chin was yummy, it was delicious. I hope you guys try out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.